Hello folks, and welcome to my problem of single board computing infrastructure. So these are Raspberry Pis and how I currently have them, and this is the desired form that I have them in an attractive looking case with cooling, power distribution, and Ethernet connectivity all handled. So what you're seeing here is it has 4 Raspberry Pis and a switch, a 5-port switch in the center. So the only thing coming out of that case, that attractive case that could be on your shelf as opposed to hidden, would be 1 power wire and 1 Ethernet connector. The problem is I was considering selling these on Etsy or somehow marketing on the internet, but the price just went nutso of all of the components because it's pandemic pricing. My goal would have been to have the 8 gigabyte version, but the 4 gigabyte version now costs as much as the 8 gigabyte version. This estimated price on the setup is $651. It may be a little bit more. I still have to handle the power distribution. I have to have a solution in place for power distribution. Right now, this is an alpha product. I guess I have a couple of questions for you. One, is anybody interested in this? If I built this case setup, could I just sell the 3D printed portion of it and give you a list to assemble? The other problem I'm having is the switch that I designed this around was the keybox switch, and apparently that's not available anymore. I'm gonna try and substitute the Netgear in if this product has interest. If there's interest, maybe I'm gonna do some sort of pre-order on the product. I'll see how that goes and what kind of interest this generates. Definitely give me your feedback. Let me know if you're interested in this. The other part of this design is other single board computers that have the same form factor as the Raspberry Pi will fit in this enclosure. So I could make multiple trays that the Raspberry Pis fit in, and you could use the single board computer du jour, the one that you like. And so the power system would have to be designed accordingly. Let me know what you're thinking. If you have suggestions, I would really appreciate your feedback on this. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and if you think there's a video I should do, the best video suggestion will win a prize. So I'm going to be working on that.